In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Asana with Hubstaff so you can track time directly on your Asana tasks to improve productivity and of course generate accurate reports. Let's begin. But before we proceed, here's what you need. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have your accounts both ready for Asana and Hubstaff. Now there are two ways that you can connect Asana with Hubstaff. If you are comfortable using Hubstaff, I want you to log in using your credentials. And then in the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the gear icon that says settings at the bottom left corner. From here, I want you to hover to the all integrations. And then look for Asana, which is going to be this option. I want you to click the connect button and this will forward you to a new page. Okay, so this will redirect you to Asana itself. Now, earlier I mentioned that you need to make your accounts ready so that it's a lot easier and smoother to integrate these platforms. All I have to do is click the allow button, and then what will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page wherein you have a successfully integrated Hubstaff with Asana. Now let's do the vice versa. We're gonna do that in the Asana platform. Now log in again to your account and then open in browser, and similar to Hubstaff, I want you to go to the left side area of the navigation, hover down to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon. Go to the settings and then go to the apps and then go to the all apps. But as you can see, I have already connected Hubstaff. For example, we haven't really connected Hubstaff yet. Okay, so all I have to do is go to the see all apps and then search for Hubstaff. If you can't find it with all these plethora of platforms and software, just use the Control plus F to find and then type in Hubstaff right here. Click on it where you see the learn more, and there is like a guideline for you to connect Hubstaff plus Asana. Okay, so it would ask you to get Hubstaff, but since we have already connected that earlier, as you can see, you simply click the integrate Asana with Hubstaff. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.